Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your bonuses on the Shipt Driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your bonuses. Maybe you get $10 for every 2 orders that you do. How do you actually go ahead and see your bonuses on the Shipt Driver app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt Driver app. Next, click on Available Orders. Then where it says Earn Bonus Track Progress, click on that. So as you can see, I have a bonus of completing 2 orders and getting $10, and there's 12 hours and 50 minutes left. Now, bonuses vary from day to day, from week to week. So do be sure to check here often to see what bonuses you have available to you. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your bonuses on the Shipt Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.